Hello everyone. So today is Easter and Christians all over the world are celebrating Easter festival. So Easter signifies the resurrection of Jesus Christ from the dead. He rose from the dead on the third day after he was crucified in AD 30. People celebrate in different ways throughout the world, and many of them pray and observe a holiday. It celebrates victory of life over death, light over darkness, God's love over people's sin. Over centuries, many traditions have become part of Easter celebration, including baking cake, making hot cross buns, painting plastic eggs, and eating chocolate eggs. People in Bermuda fly kites on this occasion. The Easter bunny and his eggs are not part of religious custom, but it still date back to the 13th century and it was brought to America by Germans. Eggs are a symbol of new life, which is why they are chosen to be the part of celebration on this occasion. People attend church services, exchange gifts, enjoy festive meals with friends and family, and they participate in Easter egg hunt. Happy Easter, everyone, once again, and thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.